Are you looking for the best immersion blenders? In this video we will look at some of the best immersion blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Houselin 1000 watts Kitchen Immersion Blender. Durable stainless steel construction, crafted with 304 stainless steel. This blender withstands rigorous use and maintains its sharpness. 5-speed control with turbo mode. Customize your blending with 5-speed settings and a turbo mode for quick, consistent results. Powerful 1000 watts motor. Unleash the full potential of your kitchen with the 1000 watts motor, ensuring smooth blending and ice crushing. Versatile 4"-1 functionality. This 4"-1 hand blender is a multitasker, perfect for blending, whisking, chopping, and more. BPA-free materials. Enjoy peace of mind with BPA-free plastic and stainless steel attachments for safe food preparation. Number 2. MIUI Hand Immersion Blender. MIUI electric hand mixer has a powerful 1000 watts copper motor. The high-precision, German-designed motor has balanced power and long-lasting durability. It makes mixing tasks easier and faster with less noise. The all-copper motor withstands continuous use and lasts 3 times longer than competing motors. Never cheap with MIUI. The 304 stainless steel blade and body are designed to give you more control over your blending. Helps you easily blend even the toughest foods faster and more delicately. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and stability for one-handed mixing, and the high-quality stainless steel blade is easier to use and clean than regular blades. The high-quality power system mixes food instantly, reducing suction and splatter. Churned mixtures stay where they belong, in the beaker, mixing bowl or stock pot. The immersion hand blender comes with 14 adjustable speeds that are easy to manage simply by rotating your speed dial. The turbocharged, precise speed control will meet your needs for baby food, smoothies, soups, juices, whipped cream and more. Number 3. BioloMix 4-in-1 high-power 1200 watts immersion hand stick blender. This stick blender equips with 1200 watts powerful motor to handle more blending tasks quietly and perfectly. 2 sharp 304 stainless steel blades can cut food quickly and easily, perfect for baby foods, soups, juices, smoothies and more. The BioloMix electric hand blender offers very convenient variable speed and instant turbo. You can easily adjust the speed to fit different foods and purposes. 600 ml mixing beaker, whisk attachment, 500 ml chopper attachment and power cord are included. Perfect combination for family making tasks, such as smoothies, milkshakes, soups or baby food and so on. Detachable shaft makes cleaning easier. Simply rinse under warm tap water or top rack dishwasher safe, but PLS don't immerse the motor into the water. Just start, then the mixing task can be easily accomplished with only one hand. Number 4. BioloMix 1200 watts 5"-1 immersion hand stick blender. Complete immersion blending system. The BioloMix hand blender comes complete with blending, whisking, and chopping attachments. The extra roomy chopper bowl and smoothie cup are 100% BPA free. Powerful blending, every time. Turn the top rotary knob to adjust speed settings. Give your blending a boost with turbo mode to get your smoothies, sauces, and soups to the perfect consistency every time. Premium construction, blended soups, sauces, and smoothies are a breeze thanks to the sturdy, stainless steel construction and ultra-hardened razor-sharp steel blades. Speedy meal preparation, chop up onions, ginger, nuts, leafy greens, and more with the extra roomy, 100% BPA-free chopper attachment. Number 5. MIUI Electric Handheld Stick Blender. MIUI Electric Handheld Stick Blender 6"-1 Multi-Purpose Immersion Hand Blender. Stainless steel blades, home and kitchen, 1200 watts.